Good evening. In this video, we'll talk briefly about the firm Calex. We'll include relevant information like the firm's processes and operations, as well as the observations that we made during our research with the objective of finding possible opportunities that could improve the company's performance.
Calex is a Mexican company that is located in the city of Garcia. The company is focused in the manufacturing and distribution of packaging and corrugated cardboard boxes. The company manufactures different types of corrugated cardboard boxes. These are made according to the measure and the specifications requested by the client. In the purchasing stage, the main raw material that is purchased from the suppliers in Mexico, such as Copamex, and also from the US, is the kraft or semi-kraft paper, which is important for the manufacture of corrugated boxes. In addition, other types of raw materials that must be purchased is the oil and water type of ink, glue, staples, steel, and plastic straps. After their reception and storage, they are transported to an inspection area to then continue with operations such as the placement of the rolls of paper in the corrugated machine and the formation of the cardboard sheets. After that, they are transported to the grooving machine where the cardboard sheets are folded along drawn lines and cut so that they are ready to be assembled and transported to the next step, which is the printing machine, where the different printing specifications of the clients are accomplished. Then they are transported to the stapler, where the boxes are assembled by joining the ends of the box with staples and strapped with steel or plastic straps so that they will pass a final inspection process where the characteristics are verified according to the official Mexican standard. The finished boxes are stored in the finished goods inventory in their own warehouse, where the products are managed manually due to the lack of technology implementations and innovations in the process. The finished products are then distributed with their own vehicles daily, weekly, and monthly depending on the customer demand.
The problems that we identified after our research are the lack of space in the inventory and the fact that the company manages their inventories manually. We'll now proceed to explain the firm's manufacturing way of working. The company uses a first-party logistics. This means that Calex does not outsource transport and logistic activities to third parties. When making quotations, the company considers a 3% of shrinkage over the net worth of the finished products, and it considers a 10% of shrinkage in raw materials. The maximum monthly capacity that the company produces is 3,000 tons. However, the company only uses 1,200 tons, representing a 40% of the total capacity. The company manufactures the boxes according to their clients' specifications. For this reason, the company manufactures its products using a batch process and a make-to-order strategy. The company has a department specialized in the quality of the boxes, where they perform the edge crush test by using specialized machines in charge of measuring the quality of the cardboard. The lead time for the request to be completed can be from 3 to 15 days, depending on the quality and the specifications of the product requested. The company uses the business-to-customer model to make their sales. This means that the company only sells their products directly to a final consumer or shopper.
Our proposed project management methodology. We decide to combine the just-in-time system and the horizontal approach in order to achieve a continuous improvement and effectiveness regarding the management and operation of the firm's production process and inventory management. Additionally, this will help to solve some of the problems in the inventory. The implementation of the methodology just-in-time and horizontal focus consists of 4 steps. The first one is the implementation of the system. This phase focuses on the aspect of decision-making to implement both methodologies. The second one is education. This phase consists in sharing the philosophy of just-in-time system as well as the horizontal methodology within the firm. The third one is getting improvements in the systems, and these include organization for improvement, understanding the system, modernization of the process, and measurables and controls. The last one is expand the supplier-customer relationships. This step is to obtain different benefits such as low cost suppliers.
If both methodologies are implemented, we expect that the inventory management will improve which we consider important because it's only those companies that innovate and that improve their internal and external processes survive in the market. The solutions that we propose are the following: to implement a combination of the just-in-time system and the Harrington-focused methodologies, to implement a more advanced automatic electronic system that can help them to manage their inventory, and to rent their warehouse space and having another way of gaining income. Due to the fact that Calex is considered a PYME, they currently do not have enough capital to apply the first two proposed solutions. However, instead of viewing the proposed solutions as immediate, we can consider them as long-term objectives. We hope to be able to improve the process of the company and manage the space in a much efficient way after the implementation of the proposed solutions, and with this to be able to serve more customers with no limited capacity restriction.